In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop tracking time in Hubstaff. Whether you're new to Hubstaff or you've been using it for a while, knowing how to effectively manage your time tracking is crucial. This guide will walk you through the simple process to stop your current time tracking, ensuring everything is accurately recorded and you can move on to your next task without a hitch. When you're in the Hubstaff dashboard, take a look at the top section of your screen. Here, you'll notice various icons, but what you're going to focus on is the time icon. This icon is typically located right above your workspace and can sometimes resemble a timer or clock, depending on the version you're working with. It's a familiar tool for those who have worked with Hubstaff before, but for newcomers, it serves as the main navigational point for managing your tracked tasks. Once you locate the time icon, you'll want to click on it. This is where everything related to your time tracking can be managed. Now, if you're actively tracking a task, you will observe a stop button icon, which is usually highlighted or clearly marked to indicate the ongoing time tracking status. Clicking this stop button is your next step. This action of clicking the stop button effectively halts the current time recording session you're working on. It's a straightforward process, but it's important to ensure that you press this button at the right time. By stopping the time tracking accurately, you can maintain a clear and precise record of the hours you've worked, which is especially important when evaluating your productivity or preparing reports. Let's talk about a few things to consider when stopping your time tracking. It's useful to make a habit of pausing or stopping the timer as soon as you finish a task to prevent any inaccuracies in your time log. Remember, every minute counts, especially when you're billing clients or assessing task efficiency. Additionally, routinely checking your daily logs after you stop the timer can help ensure that all the tracked hours are correct and aligned with your completed tasks. Another tip is to customize your alerts within Hubstaff to remind you to stop tracking time if you often move on to other things without realizing the timer is still running. This way, you won't end up with large chunks of idle time, which could alter how you review your productivity. In summary, stopping your time tracking in Hubstaff is a simple but essential process that can help you manage your work hours efficiently. By clicking the time icon and selecting the stop button, you ensure your tracked time is accurately captured. This careful approach to time management aids greatly in productivity assessment